Sabhi darshakon ko namaskar. Welcome to the world of Indian philosophy, where ancient wisdom meets modern technology. You're about to embark on a journey through this course. Philosophy for Beginners. Hands-on learning with AI. Have you ever wondered, who am I? What is the true purpose of life? Imagine finding these answers with the help of AI. Yes, it's possible. This course brings together the timeless wisdom of Indian philosophy and the power of AI to make learning both practical and engaging. Indian philosophy or darshan is deeply profound, but it often feels complex. That's where this course comes in. Through hands-on learning with AI tools like ChatGPT and other learning apps, we make understanding the key philosophical concepts easier and more interactive. But this course isn't just about AI. You'll also learn to use traditional non-AI tools to develop a deeper connection with the self and the world around you. So what will you gain from this course? 1. Master the use of AI. Learn how tools like ChatGPT can simplify complex ideas from philosophy, such as the teachings of the Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, Socrates, Plato, or Advaita Vedanta. 2. Interactive and engaging content. With free enrollment on Canvas LMS, you'll access quizzes, activities, and assignments designed to keep you involved every step of the way. 3. Practical insights. Explore ancient concepts like karma, dharma, and moksha, how they can be applied to modern life, helping you make better decisions and grow as an individual. For example, imagine exploring the meaning of Tat Tvam Assi, you are that, through AI-driven discussions. This blend of modern tools and ancient wisdom will transform your understanding of philosophy. Philosophy is not just about thinking, it's about living with purpose. This course will help you master the art of learning philosophy by blending technology with timeless traditions, preparing you for a more meaningful and balanced life. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now in the Philosophy for Beginners hands-on learning with AI course. It's your chance to dive deep into philosophy through engaging assignments, activities, and quizzes. And the best part? It's absolutely free. Start your journey into philosophy with AI tools today. Dhanyavaad or Namaskar. See you in the course.